People seem to burn a lot of pallets, which means nails everywhere, which meant this was inevitable. I knew it was going to happen eventually, so I have always had a tire repair kit and of course for off-roading an air compressor with me. This was just a slow leak, however, so I just had it professionally repaired the next time I was in town. Okay, so folks, I didn't start the recording at the very beginning of the trailhead. There are a lot of people around, but we're taking the Mt Baldy. Well, there's a trail to Mt Baldy, and it's super steep according to some people, but it's been pretty nice. It's 4,000 feet elevation change for the whole hike, and we've done like 1,500 maybe, and I'm hiking totally by myself. Maybe not. Oh gosh. And that's it. The mountain's above 10,000, so this would be the highest I've been since, I don't know, one of the passes in the Sierra. So this will be exciting. There might be some snow up there. We'll see. There's snow way up there. Probably can't see it. And Pocket Rocket says I'm going to see a bear. She promised me. Otherwise, there's going to be heck to pay, I guess. All right, you gonna get me a bear?
Of course.
Of course. Okay, a baby, a cub. Okay, so we'll keep going. This dog raced past us. I think he was racing past us to hit the snow. His family's right behind us. Of course, I pull out the camera, he stops rolling in it. It was warm at first, but we had the best weather that day. There were large patches of snow to keep things interesting, but nothing dangerous. It was especially clear that day as well. You just could not ask for more. At the summit, it was cool, but not super cold. The sun came out every now and then to keep us just comfortable enough to stay for quite a while. The sky was clear with huge patches of white clouds to keep it contrasted with the super blue sky all throughout and a snowy mountainside. As we descended, we decided to hike up Mount Harwood, which was nearby, for more unexpected, beautiful scenery.
We decided to take a little 0.1 extra mile detour to go to Mount Harwood. It's right at the base of Mt Baldy, so might as well. And it's actually a pretty easy hike. I'm not sure how big an elevation gain it was, but pretty easy, beautiful views. Highly recommend it if you're up there. And we're gonna head back, hit the trail. And we have we're doing a 9 mile, it's about 10 mile loop. So we have about, my camera's going all over the place. We probably have about 5 miles to go, so less than a couple hours and we'll be back to the car. Pretty sweet hike. Lots of people, unfortunately. Bonus, I haven't seen toilet paper once yet. Good.
The beauty didn't end there, as we hit the Devil's Backbone Trail. Even if you did not summit the mountain, just hiking this section alone in these conditions would have been a fantastic day. I don't remember it being as scary in some parts as it did while editing this video, but the trail itself was pretty safe. As we finished the trail, we decided to hike over to San Antonio Falls and take a few pictures. Today it was pouring like crazy and cold.